Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, I'm going to talk about the few shortcuts of Excel, which is very useful for all professional as well as learned people. So, without delaying further, I'm taking you to my display screen. So, let's say we are having a small worksheet here, in which I wanted to make a copy of this particular entire data from this place to some another place. So, what I can do is normally what we do. Normally, we select the data, then we go for Control C to copy this. Then we place the cursor on the destination place where I wanted to paste the data. And then finally, we press the Control B key. So obviously, this is going to be very long process. But if you wanted to do it in a shortcut way, so what you can do is you can select this entire data and you can hold down your Control key. And then after the moment you move your cursor at the right edge of this particular selection, you can notice along with the mouse, we have the plus symbol. So just by dragging in a different location, the copy of the data is there. Again, if you wanted to make a further copy, you can hold down the Control key, again come down to this place, and you can drag it the place where you want to get the data. So this way, you can copy or paste data from one place to another place. Now, I'll be taking another example. Let's say I wanted to merge the data from two different tables. So let's say this is the table which is having a data from January to May. So what I'll do is I just make a copy of this, right? And I want to merge this data from this set of data, from the July, from the August till December data I wanted to merge with this. So again, I will be making a copy of it. And as already we know, we are having a feature of a clipboard. So we can open the clipboard just by uh, clicking on the dialog box launcher. You can notice that all selected items are available out here. Now I wanted to merge it in some other sheet. Let's say I'm going to this particular sheet. Here I wanted to paste. So what I can do is I can go to this particular clipboard and here I can click on paste all. The moment you click on paste all, you are able to notice your entire data is getting, both the table's content is getting copied here, right? So in this way, you can paste the data. Now I'll let you know how to create a graph. So let's say I wanted to create the trick number next trick. So what you can do is we can select this data. And if you wanted to draw a graph, we can hold down Control key and we can press function key F1. The moment you press the function key F1, you can notice here, we are getting the quick analysis window. So what I can do is I can click on this. Automatically, you are getting so many tabs: formatting tab, chat tab, chart tab, total tab, tables tab, sparkline. If you wanted to add the sparkline, you can click it here, and the line. If you click on the line, this sparkline is available. Already we talked in my previous video the concept of sparkline. In the very same way, if you wanted to create a graph, so again we can select it. I can press the Control F1, right? And here I'm getting it. Then I'll go for chart tab. And within this, I wanted to go for clustered column. I'll click on this and this clustered column chart is available out here, right? And if you want to make a copy of this chart, that is also possible just by pressing the Control C, and you can make a copy of this particular chart to some other location. Let's say I wanted to move to some other sheet and here I can go for paste. Now I'll show you one very interesting thing. Let's say I wanted to add one more column out here. So I've added here new column. And in this particular new column, I have a new set of data. Let's say we are having a data called expenditure 2. So I'm going to modify it as expenditure 2. Now I wanted to include this expenditure 2 as well in my chart. So it's very simple. You can select it. You can select it from here and you can do the copy and you can go to this particular chart and simply you have to press Control V. The moment you press the Control V, you must be noticing out here we are having a chart created based on the sales data, expenditure data, as well as expenditure too. Right. So this is all about for today. Again, I'll be coming with a new set of tricks of Excel. This is going to be very, very helpful for you. So thanks for watching this video.